So guys, samahan nyo kami para mag-vacation. Vacation tayo and meron na tayong mga gamit. So magstay lang tayo dun for 5 days. And yeah, kasi bakasyon namin sa school. And yes, bago ang aming exam. So mag-rest muna tayo ng ating mga utak. So let's go. Lapit na kami, 22 minutes na lang. Who you are.
Aber Eis gib uns doch mal den Überblick.
Soll ich mir Eis 27 bis 33 Grad?
Ay, nandito na kami dahil sobrang init. Ah! Lase. So guys, we're looking for our rooms now. Okay, let's go now. There's no room here. Where's it takes so long? So, dito na kami. Malapit na kami. Very malapit na siya. So, guys, look at this. Ito yung aming hotel. Ang aming bed. See? My chair here. My table. Hi. My mirror on the wall. Ito yung aming... What's this? View. So, building lang pala. Ayan. Yun ang aming... What? It's spitzing, see? Let's open the door. And let's see what's in here. Yan yung lake. Okay, just relaxing eh kasi nangagta na tayo. Ang init. Summer na day. So, tingnan natin dito ang ating mahiwagang. Open natin ang ilaw. Ah, sa CR pala yan. Okay. So, yan. Anong laman nito? Hindi ko alam. Basta ito. Tingnan natin ang CR. Isang CR natin, Zay. So, magstay tayo din ng 3 days. 4 days and 3 nights. So, yes. Meron tayong towel. Meron tayong handhook. Ating shampoo and conditioner. Meron tayong every side is a mirror. Mirror on the wall. Kita nyo naman. And yes. Meron din tayong hand lotion, hand wash, pamumog. Meron tayong hair dryer. Meron din another one. You need it. And yeah, that's all, no? So, kaya malapit lang kami sa lake. Meron din isa pang lake doon sa pupunta namin bukas, which is Lursey. So, umalis kami ng bahay mga alauna na. And super init. So, yung car ni Mano is parang nasusunog na pagpasok ko sa kanya. But yeah, pay tayo, haggard tayo, no? Pero yes, at last, andito na tayo. Very maganda yung lighting. Pero parang ang ganda natin here. Lighting ba? Lighting, yeah. Diba? So, let's go. What are we going to do today? Living alone. So guys, may free welcoming drink tayo, no? Ano ba to? Natural. Cool and sour. Yung aking man is like always back of the camera kasi ayaw naman yung sa mama. So, it's only me. Always me. Cheers. For my memories. Guys, you can put your hands in here. His hand. Beautiful hand. And we're going to drink. He's really good because he drive like 2 hours. Cheers, my love. So the rest of the day we're going to enjoy. Maybe we're going walk around the lake here, and then we'll see. Or maybe we do swimming. I don't know, but yeah, we'll see. And yes, today nag-bring pala ako ng, kasi yung hotel namin ano lang, breakfast lang siya, so we need to at the evening and lunch we need to eat outside or eat in the restaurant. But today I bring a food para makasave naman tayo at least one day. And yeah, we'll see. And yeah, see you later. So let's go walk around the lake or what?
But first, let's go to the
Where?
to the car and get the rest. Yeah.
No. But okay.
Hi, my love. How do you like it here?
It's not. But
nice.
it should be quiet.
Look at this. Take this one. You're gonna show the view as well.
So let's go outside. Ito yung labas ng hotel namin. Yeah, maybe tomorrow if you wake up early, maybe. Where are you going?
I can picture of you, but I don't have that picture of us together. You want us?
We did have a lot of bobs earlier.
Yeah, but
So guys, nagbaon ako for first day namin. Nagbaon ako ng rice. Yeah, rice and chicken teriyaki. So good in appetit.
give me your.
Rice, your chicken.
Oh,
Pass out. So good in appetit. So guys, so iniintay ko lang ang aking kasama. So mag-spa kami, ano ba yan, terme or sauna. And then magsiswimming kami, swimming pool. I mean, pwede kayo mag-swimming doon sa lake. Pero tinry ko kanina, super cold, like freezing. Pero siguro masarap yun mga tanghali. Medyo bumaba na yung temperature. So mga siguro around 20 degrees or so. Pero malamig ang tubig. Pero yeah, meron namang swimming pool inside it. So, doon kayo maliligo. And then, so we're trying to maximize lahat ng mga pwede namin gawin dito kasi binayaran naman namin yung mga tulad nung sa sauna. May mga massage pa nga din pero ayun, hindi ko alam. Hindi ko sanay mga ganon pero sige na lang. And then, still may araw pa rin. Anong oras na? Siguro mga alas 7 na ng gabi. But, yeah. And then, yeah, we're good to go. Pero hindi ako isasama kasi bawal na mag-video sa mga ganyan. Kasi, syempre, may mga privacy. So, better ako lang ang tingnan nyo, no? So, wala, okay lang. So, guys, kakatapos ko lang mag-hot bath. So, nag-swimming kami, ginamit namin yung loong sauna from 6:30 to 90 degree. So, every step siya like from first 30, and then sunod ng 60, tapos 70, tapos 90. So, minaximize namin yun. So, nagpunta kami doon mga alas 7 ng gabi. So, natapos kami mga alas 10 na. Almost 3 hours din. And then, so, pupunta namin doon, wala na masyadong mga people. I think, tas wala na din mga kids. So kami lang almost. Konti lang yung nandun. So very quiet lang yung aming eksena doon. Tapos, yes, nag-swimming kami. Swimming pool, basta, nag-relax, and yes. So, doon, may free tea, free coffee, and yes, sayang nga, hindi ko dinala kayo kasi wala man masyadong tao. Sana picture-picture ako doon sa may sauna. Yan siguro, bukas. Kasi, bukas, in this week kasi parang abutan na ako. So, minamaximize din para magamit ko kasi baka bukas o sa Makalawa, abutan na tayo ng atin. Hindi tayo makaswimming. So, kaya magsiswimming tayo hanggat wala pa siya. So, yes, bukas, mag-ano ulit kami. May free breakfast and snack. Mag-swimming ulit muna. And then, hanggang mag-sauna ulit. Gamitin na natin lahat yan. And then after niyan, maglabas kami ulit. Kasi yung dun sa swimming pool, ano siya, connected siya dun sa dun sa lake. So, may entrance siya, private entrance kasi nga, para dun dito sa hotel. Pero yes. So, yeah. So, I'm ready to sleep na. So, tomorrow, yeah. We'll see again tomorrow, diba? Nakapag-vlog tayo ulit kasi bakit hindi? So after, I think, ang huling travel ko is yung sa sa Pilipinas. I mean, hindi pa ako nagta-travel. Dito lang din naman to sa Germany. Sa sunod na araw ata, pupunta kami dun sa Austria. Pero 2 nights and 3 days lang yun kasi malapit kasi yun dun sa gusto kong hikan. So, yun. Yun yung tapos, may 2 weeks kasi akong vacation. So, yung 1 week, yung 5 days, ginamit ko sa pang-relax. Kasi, last few weeks talagang full pack yung utak mo. Stress talaga yung utak ko. Kasi, back-to-back exam, tapos presentation, like, syempre, of German or like, meron ka ng presentation sa ginawang PowerPoint, and then, yun, explain namin yung slide na meron kami tema. So yun, at least sa isang linggo 3, 2 exam tapos yung presentation. Syempre dapat alam mo yung ipipresent ko, so kailangan ko rin mag-aral plus yung exam pa na last 2 exam na last week na tapos na yung exam ko, like yung between exams ng mga subjects. So next week is ang namin abstruse proofing or ano ba yun? Sa atin sa Pinas, parang yung government exam. Yes, ganon. So, yes, hindi pa yun tapos ang school namin. Ano pa lang yun? Theory exam, which is yung writing. And then, sa July pa yung aking practical exam. Yung final na practical. And then, after that, mag-work ako hanggang till August doon. And then, tapos na. So, we are free, so we can live our life again without stress or thinking exams, without thinking to review and everything. But yeah, so that's all for today, no? So I hope you enjoyed this video and see you in my next vlog. Bye.